God bless us as he blesses me each and every day, every way. I'm Jim.
Jim, good to meet you, Jim.
Not G-Y-M, not G-E-M, but J-I-M. I'm Jim. Where are they handing out food? I'm supposed to... They talked me out of going out there and messing with the people in the march. They're a bunch of cowards. I was born in Washington, D.C., grew up on the Maryland side. I used to be a computer guy. I discovered Texas women because I used to go out dancing to meet my true love. I got my heart broken back 33 years ago. Well, I'm still looking, but it's neat. The people here are neat. What's even neater is masjid. Well, I need to speak English. It's a mosque, right? Never, ever speak Arabic to Americans. Are you stupid? It's not...
Speak English, damn it.
Amen, amen.
Amen.
Right? I have never felt more comfortable here. This is my home. I feel comfortable here.
With the Muslims.
Are you Muslim?
I don't know. Am I? Do I look like one?
Do you believe in one creator?
Of course.
Do you believe that this creator sent messengers?
Of course.
Do you believe that Jesus, Abraham, Moses, the Prophet Muhammad, they're all messengers, peace be upon all of them?
Yes. What's that?
How long you been coming to the mosque for?
A couple months. I'm not the same person I was 15 years ago. Today, I'm not afraid of nothing, and whatever I do, I just know how to do it. It's incredible when God is with you, and it's like all the mistakes that I've done in the past, they don't exist anymore. I have patience. I take my time. I can see the stuff he got flushed out. Who knew Muslims were so clean? God. Within 2 years, I'm going to be able to deadlift 400 pounds like I did when I was 30.
Inshallah.
My doctor says, if you don't have goals high enough, and mine are high, very high. Nobody has more loftier goals than me. If you don't have that as a guiding light, you can get lost, can't you?
Yeah.
And most people do. I don't.
Come on, Jim, join us in prayer.